Yeah, I guess when we get up in the morning, use caution traveling to work. Probably still we're going to see some white stuff in around the area, some sleep showing up in our viewing area in Arkansas and Oklahoma. So the storm's moving pretty fast, so I don't think it's going to have time to drop more than a couple inches.
That's okay. I wish we'd do something to talking about it.
We will. By morning, it'll all be through, I promise. Let's look at our current conditions. 26 degrees, winds north of 7. That'll give us a wind chill in the teens. About 16 really haven't dropped all that much temperature or chill since our 6 o'clock news. Let's take a look at the weather satellite and put it in motion. You can see that upper level jet stream, those winds picking up on that depression in the desert southwest. This is an early afternoon shot, and it'll show us moving right back across Arkansas, and it looks like that's probably the way that storm will track later on tonight. That's with it moving that far down. The farther north you go, maybe from Nevada or Rich Hill or Butler in that neighborhood on into Kansas City, maybe no snow at all. I think they have enough action already on the roads to probably keep them busy for another week or so. The radar at the moment looks like kind of a wet mess in the middle part of the United States. This system out ahead of it, it looks like a large area of the state of Oklahoma getting a little drizzle on and off. Some of it's freezing. As I told you at the beginning of the news, sleet showing up on Highway 71 in extreme northwest Arkansas between the two state lines and on down through Fort Smith, etc. And it looks like it's going to move on up in that northeasterly track. Late this afternoon, this is the way the map looks. The low itself was over New Mexico. A weather advisory, stockman's advisory in effect from Texas all the way up into the Great Lakes region. 7 above in Kansas City was a record early this morning. This was also a record for the maximum afternoon high, 45 in Tucson late this afternoon. Looks like the storm watches were going to go on up into the Great Lakes area as that storm tracks. We'll just shift the map for tomorrow real quick, and you'll see the way it's going to go. Moving on up into the mid-Mississippi Valley, and we will continue to see drizzle on and off through tomorrow. And then late tomorrow afternoon, we'll get some clearing in the area. That 35 in Little Rock was actually the only afternoon high above freezing in Missouri and Arkansas and Oklahoma and Kansas. Road conditions, in addition, this activity is from the first part of the week type storm, and these areas with ice on the roads are from the storm that's kind of moving into the area at the moment. Low to mid-20s, the temperature readings are pretty much the rule around the area. Early this morning, temperatures dropping down in Joplin, in and around the area, to about the mid-20s, and late this afternoon, really nobody reporting any above freezing temperatures, not much melting. Arkansas's forecast, storm warning tonight, by tomorrow 3 to 5 inch accumulation and a high of about 30. Northeast Oklahoma, the warning's been downgraded to a weather advisory, clearing for tomorrow afternoon, high of 25. Southeast Kansas, advisory tonight, maybe a 2 inch accumulation, high of 25 tomorrow. Joplin, southwest Mo, 1 to 3 inch accumulation possible, probably more like 1 to 2. The snow will be early tomorrow afternoon, should be over, and a high of about 25 degrees. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday looks like cool temperatures. Afternoon highs of 25 to 30. That's what happens when I try to hurry. And I also think that it's Friday and it's not. 9-year-old Kathy Tuck gives us a good picture. This is from the Mark Twain Elementary School. Kathy, thank you for the picture. And you can thank me for this great white weather picture.
How much is told?
Yeah, I don't know. I stumbled around when I was 1 and 3. Yeah, probably. So I'll buy that. Okay, thank you, kid. We come back tonight at museum.